It is a beautiful Friday morning. We have a Dell XPS or APS. Dell XPS. The problem with this Dell is that it has flickering screen. Has a flickering screen. I'll go ahead and power it up. Let's test and see for ourselves. Now I have the laptop booting up. It seems fine. Oh, the screen flickers when you press the keyboard. Let's try it again. Yeah. When I press the keyboard, the screen keeps on flickering. So I guess this is the problem. Let's shut it down and check it out. Shut it down and check it out. I don't think this is going to be a serious problem. Let's check it out and see. I'll go ahead and speed this up too. Now the cover is out. The back cover is out. As you can see, there is no visible fault. Let's have a closer look. You can see the clip holding the screen flex is firm. So I'll go ahead and remove the battery clip. Just need to pull it backwards and to come off. Now this is the clip holding the screen flex, and everything seems fine, but I'll go ahead and open this up. The nut is worn out, so it's a little bit difficult for me to screw this out. but I'll try my best to get it out. This should do the trick. Yeah, the knot is finally out. Get this clip out. You can see the flex looks fine. Then let's just observe and see if there's any damage to the flex. I'm dusting the terminals. Everything seems fine. So I think I'm going to put a tip and make sure the clip is firmly placed back. So guys, I tried holding it with a tip, but it still flickers when I press the keyboard. So after many trials, I discovered that the left hinge was broken. That was what was causing the whole problem. And I thought I made a recording of that part, but the camera was not on. So just above the fan, this fan right here, the left hinge was broken. I had to lose everything out and fix the hinge because the hinge was pressing on the flex, the screen flex. That was what was causing the whole flickering of the screen. So yeah guys, just check your hinge. Might be the hinge that is broken. The hinge was broken, so I had to fix the hinge. So guys, I just hope you reach the end of this video to see how to hear what I just said. It wasn't the flex connector. It was the hinge, the left hinge that was broken and it was pressing on the flex. That was what was causing the flickering. So if you have the same issue, check your hinges. Thank you. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe.